Hi, welcome to Craft Time at the Houston Public Library. Today we're making origami mushrooms. This craft is intended for ages 7 and up. Let's get started. So the first thing we do is we're going to grab our origami paper, turn it upside down. We're going to fold it diagonally. So bring this corner to this corner. Right here in the middle. And then we're going to open it back up, turn it, and do the same thing. Okay, and then we're going to open it back up again and bring this corner to the middle right here. We're going to do this 3 times. We're going to turn it and then do the other side. And turn it halfway and then do this corner. Okay. Now it looks kind of like an envelope. And then the next thing we're going to do is we're going to fold it along this middle line right here. Fold it up. So you have this rectangle and this white triangle sitting on top of it. Now we're going to flip it over. We're going to bring this side to the middle right here. So fold it like that. And the same thing on the other side, like that. Then we're going to fold it one more time. So fold this side to the middle right here. Do the same thing on the other side. All right. Okay, so this next step is a little tricky, so watch carefully. We're going to open this up and put my finger through the middle. And bring this flap up and down like this. I'm going to do this side. So open it back up, put your finger through the middle, and we're going to take this inside corner and flip it over, and then put it back down like that. And then this corner down here, we're going to flip it back up. We're going to fold in this corner, and this corner. Just a little bit so you don't have sharp angles. All right, and then we're going to flip it over. Now you have that mushroom shape. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to draw in the eyes. Go. I'm going to grab my sticky circles and put them on there just like mushroom spots. There we go. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed this activity. We'll see you next time. Bye.